the issue we have with this BMW 3 Series GT, like 1 Series, 2 Series, 3 Series, 4 Series, they're all the same because they're all ZF8 speed. Meant to be one of the best gearboxes, but you get problems. It doesn't matter how good it is, you will have mess ups. So this is the problem we have. It doesn't go into P, and that is the sign we get. So if I turn it off, let me just reverse a little bit. I shall show you something. Oh, this is a bit too much light there. So if we were to turn the handbrake on, obviously, if we hit P, it doesn't go into P, okay? And it says secure vehicle from rolling against. Okay, so and if we turn it off, we're gonna get the same message as well. As you can see, it's a bit of a tricky one, in other words. So we've dug in. There is a fault code that's stored within the there you are, within the diagnostic machine, and we've looked into it. It turns out to be, it depends, every vehicle is different, but for this specific one, so it says it's in P, but it's actually not. So when you turn the vehicle on, it goes into N straight away, and it blinkers like this. Now this goes back to the Megatronic that's in the gearbox itself. Now if you ask me which is cheaper, I'd say go buy a second-hand gearbox, a refurbed one, in other words. That's the sign we get. A second-hand, just like we have here, is far cheaper to get that. You'd be talking, I don't know, I'd say 500, 600, 700, depending on who you get it off. That's my recommendation, getting a second-hand refurbed gearbox. This should hopefully cure it. Now you can get the Megatronic, but you got to remember and understand that the Megatronic on its tot is going to be a good few hundred. So it's down to yourselves. It's going to cost as much as a gearbox, and they're going to be as same as a gearbox. So it depends who the mechanic is and whatnot. But once you do change the whole component, we do highly recommend you code it in, because it's not going to work right. It may judder, the gearbox may not be the best, so it's always best to code it in after. But if you are, like I said, getting this fault code, the gearbox is fine. The current one that's on the car, you know, it's perfectly fine, goes through all the gears, no issues, smooth as anything, but just the P doesn't work, and that goes back to the Megatronic. But yeah, if you've got any questions, by all means put it in the comment and I'll try and get back to you all. And this is the gearbox that's being purchased. It's a refurb one. Pop this one on, and then happy days.